Yeah, I mean, I was scrolling online now when I saw this, this free course by Jordan Bown, and it's a dropshipping and e-commerce course. And what is spectacular about this course is that it's 18 to 19 hours, okay? Like 18 hours, 30 minutes, and 32 seconds video. Wow, I mean, this is a whole lot. I mean, this man has done something huge by creating this video, and I really give kudos to Jordan Brown, okay? Possibly if you want to learn about dropshipping and you're a beginner, you want to go from beginner to expert level. Although it's not like maybe you can easily go like that without practicing, but at least if you want to, if you want to be able to learn and, in knowledge, you want to go from beginner to expert, then go for this free course, okay, which is by Jordan Brown. And, many folks has been asking me, they're curious about this program, and they're like, oh, my what is he about these? And I was scrolling today and I just saw this program and I'm like, wow, it's just crazy. Okay, now Jordan has done a whole lot with this. Now let's just discuss about these. I like to discuss about stuff. That is what I do on this channel. Just talk about whatever I feel like, give you my honest opinion, and you go ahead and do whatever you want to do. Okay, so that is what I do in this channel right now. Who is Jordan Bown? Now, Jordan Bown is a content creator. He has massive followers. You can see even in this page, I mean, this channel, he has like 178,000 subscribers as at the time of creating this video. Possibly is able to even go more than that very soon, by the time you're watching the video. Okay, so now he has a lot of followers also on his social media, all right, and he specializes in topics like make money online, dropshipping, and also he also said he has experience from someone who is an heavyweight in the industry of internet marketing, the person of Ty Lopez, all right. And his journey include door-to-door sales for a solar company, before even going straight to starting with dropshipping. Okay, so right here is Jordan's page, okay, and you can see he has several tutorials regarding dropshipping, e-commerce, personal branding, and several other ones out there. Okay, and you can even see that this video has 2.2 million views. Okay, that's awesome. Okay, so discussing about if this program is reliable, I mean, this free course, rather, this is course is reliable. The course is reliable, okay, because you can go ahead learn a whole lot from this man. Okay, it is very much reliable, but the only problem there is just you sitting down and watching 18 hours video. I mean, I really can't see myself doing that anytime soon. Okay, although it's cool, it's great, but me sitting down to watch 18 hours video, bro, that's crazy. Okay, that's crazy. So if you can just give it dedication, sit down the whole day, turn on the TV and just tune into YouTube and this guy's page or this channel, and you keep on watching it, then possibly you're gonna know a whole lot without you having to go ahead to pay for some courses. Okay, and also from what I've been able to gather online, a whole lot of people have been saying this is spectacular because what this guy is offering you here is even more than what other people charges. $10,000, $5,000 for charging tickets for all their programs. It's so crazy because these guys make a whole lot of money just from selling their courses. But here is Jordan here giving you everything for free. Okay, giving you everything for free. 18 hours plus of videos. I mean, that's cool. All right, so if you can go ahead and learn, they sit down, buckle up. If you can just go ahead, give it 18 hours and just put in the work, then you're gonna get results. Okay, you're gonna get results because this man has done a whole lot. I'm sure he did not do everything in a single day. Okay, but at least for him to be able to do all these, possibly maybe 3 hours. I don't know how many hours is devoted into this, doing all this for you guys and publishing it. Then this is a huge challenge, okay, to a whole lot of people out there. Although I've not been able to see any other video as much longer than this. I mean, a video that is not live stream. Okay, I know there are a lot of live stream that passes 24 hours, 48 hours and all that, but I'm talking about a video that is not live stream like this. I've not been able to see one, especially in the internet marketing space. Okay, I think this should be the longest video in the internet marketing make money online space. If you have any other one that you can let us know in the comment box that it's as long as or more longer than this. So let us know. This is a huge challenge. Okay, let us know in the comment box if you know any other video in the internet marketing make money online space that is longer than this. Okay, so now it's 88 hours and it's cool, but a lot of people might just have excuses, but like, oh, I can't sit down to listen to 18 hours of videos, but you can decide to just give it a try. If you have interest in dropshipping, okay, if you've been having interest in dropshipping and you want to make money from dropshipping, then it is not bad for you to give this a try and just go ahead, dedicate 18 hours of your time into this, okay? However, despite the time commitment, I think Jordan Brown has done a whole lot right here. Okay, and you can always go ahead and give this a try. Not even give it a try, give it your whole. Okay, because you're not spending any money here. All you're just doing is to learn how you can do drop shipping and e-commerce using Shopify. Okay, so this is cool, and there are a whole lot of people that have commended Jordan Brown for this, for this free course. Okay, yeah, even I myself am among them. I give him thumbs up and also um a salute, okay, for him doing this. And he also has several other tutorials on his channel that you can use to learn dropshipping. Okay, so this is what I have for you here. I do not really have much to say regarding this. Okay, so in case maybe you are here today wondering exactly, oh, is this the best thing for me to do or not? Well, it is a good one, and you can go ahead and give it a try, learn from this man, and use whatever he has taught you in this tutorial for the best. Okay, that is what I have for you. And also for people who do ask me, oh Maverick, I know you're also into e-commerce and dropshipping. So what do you use to get traffic to your page? Well, I don't really do much of paid traffic. Okay, I do much of free traffic. I specialize in free traffic, and using free traffic has helped me also to get more profit. Okay, although I use both paid and free though, but I really specialize in free traffic the more than paid traffic. Okay, so but with the free traffic you get more. Okay, with free traffic you can even use it to test out a particular campaign before even running adverts on it. Okay, so and the free traffic method I use is TikTok and YouTube shorts. Okay, so with TikTok and YouTube shorts I'm always able to you know get more traffic, okay, to my Shopify store. Okay, and this has helped me to boost much of my productivity. And in case you wonder how I've been able to do it, well, what I do mostly is that I have an AI tool that I use. Okay, there are a lot of AI tools out there, but most are always very expensive, okay, in getting traffic. So I use Jet. Okay, Jet is an AI tool that I use to get traffic to my store. Okay, and what Jet does is that it's not like maybe it's just gonna bring you the traffic. What it does is that it helps you create videos. It has all this non-copyrighted video, and it has description, title. It also has thumbnail creation. It even has a sales page or landing page type of um template, okay, whereby I do create a landing page. I first send them to the landing page, water them before I send them to my Shopify store. So that's how I always do it. Okay, in case you want to try out Jet or learn how to use it, you can click the link in the video description or check the screen. You're gonna see it there. You can use Jet. Normally it's majorly for YouTube, okay, but I always use the video it generates for me on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels. Okay, but majorly I use TikTok and YouTube. I only do those Facebook and Instagram Reels once in a while. Okay, so with the Jet tool, you can easily create videos for your for your product, and it has a whole lot of video library that you can use without having to show your face or even without having you to um you know use your voice. Okay, so this is what I use for my store to create videos, and it does everything for me: the description, title, thumbnail, and also a page, okay, that I can use to water my audiences before sending them to my Shopify store, because you want to be able to filter your traffic. Don't just be sending anyhow traffic to your store. Those are the things that make some people lose their Shopify account. Okay, so the moment there are a lot of traffic and you are getting less sales, it's not good. Okay, it also affects conversion and everything. So and also might even make you lose your store. So try as much as possible to filter your traffic, especially if you are using free traffic like myself. Okay, you need to filter traffic because there are some bot traffic that are online. So when you filter the traffic with the page, you will be able to get more results. Okay, also it helps to you know get more results in your store. So and Jet has everything. Okay, it has everything for you, so that rather than you going ahead to pay money for a domain to build a landing page it is free on Jet. Okay, even with the thumbnail that you might need to go ahead and hire a graphics designer, it's going to do it for you. It's going to do the video for you and everything. So rather than you going to spend a huge money on freelancers, this one is easy for you. And with the price of a burger, you can get Jet for a one-time fee. Okay, so it's not like maybe it's any subscription or whatever. It's just one time for the price of a burger. So if you want to try Jet, click the link in the video description or check the screen. You'll see the link there. It will take you to Jet, and you can use Jet to start. It's an AI that you can use to start leveraging and maximizing your result in your dropshipping and e-commerce journey. So that is what I have for you today. I believe this video has been helpful. If it is, kindly make sure that you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new, review videos just like this. And also, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, the like button, so that YouTube can recommend this video to several other people out there. Thank you very much for your time. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.